Hey guys, Samantha Jean Wilson here. I wanted to talk to you about a couple products that are up to 70% off on my website right now. Right now, I'm using the Extra Last Eye Pencil. I love this pencil because it's retractable, so it never needs to be sharpened. It comes in 5 different shades, and right now it's only $5.90. You can't beat it. It's waterproof, it's smudge resistant, and it's my favorite because it glides on so smoothly. But hang on a minute. There's more, guys. This is called the 3-in-1 palette. It includes blush, bronzer, and highlighter. And right now it's on sale for $11.90, usually $21. You can't beat it. It has all three compact in one. You can carry along with you in your purse. And I love using the bronzer. I am not using the blush in this video because I just used the new creamy blush that we have. Tap it all over the areas where the sun would naturally hit, giving you that depth. Wait a second. I almost forgot the highlighter. Come on, you need that glow, right? I use a nice fan brush, get some product of the highlighter on, and then just put it on the cheekbones, tip of your nose, tip of your lip. Look at that glow. It's awesome. Again, $11.90. Seriously. And you probably thought I was done, but guess what? Our lip liners are also on sale. We have many different shades available, and a lip liner is only costing $3.90. Remember, this sale is ending tomorrow night at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This color I'm using today is called 227. It's like a dark brown color because I'm going to be using this beautiful liquid lipstick in Autumn Story. This is the perfect color for fall. We have a couple different shades available, and the lipsticks are going for $5.90. Guys, get on this sale. Don't miss it.